Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule a post inside Instagram app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, go ahead and open up the Instagram app on your phone. And now what you want to do is create a post, which I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I've added in this random photo for my post for Instagram. Now I'm just going to click on next, click on OK here. Now give this post a caption, so write something here. And now to schedule this is to scroll all the way down and then click onto advanced settings. And then where it says schedule this post, click onto that. And now you've got a date and time here. So if I want to schedule it for Friday week, I'll go to Friday the 22nd of March and schedule it for say 1 PM. Just do it like so and then click on done. And now if I go back, if I click on share to Instagram only, this post will be scheduled to post next Friday week. So yeah, that's how to schedule posts inside the Instagram app. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.